Most businesses won't fail because of AI, they'll fail because someone else learned how to use it first. Every major shift in history followed the same pattern. The internet, smartphones, cloud computing. At first, they looked optional. Then they became advantages, and eventually, they became requirements. Every new wave creates its own winners and leaves behind those who hesitated. The difference this time is the speed and scale. What once took a decade is now happening in months, and the gap between those who adapt and those who don't is widening faster than ever before. But artificial intelligence is different. It's not just another tool, not because it's faster, not because it's smarter, but because it scales, something we've never been able to scale before. Thinking, for the first time, we can amplify our ability to strategize, to create, and to problem solve on a massive scale. It's like having a team of experts available on demand, ready to help you analyze, brainstorm, and execute. This isn't about replacing human thought, it's about augmenting it. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it compresses years of experience into moments. It turns a single founder into a strategist, a researcher, and a creator all at the same time. Imagine having the power to instantly analyze market trends, generate a dozen marketing angles, and draft code for a prototype, all before your first coffee. This is the new leverage. It's not about the size of your team anymore. It's about the quality of your thinking and the speed of your execution. And right now, this shift is happening quietly. There are no headlines, no alarms, just small teams moving faster, making better decisions, and pulling further ahead every single month. While others are waiting for a sign, agile founders and professionals are integrating AI into their daily workflows, creating systems that compound their advantage. This quiet revolution isn't fought in boardrooms. It's won on laptops late at night. Most people think the AI revolution will be loud, dramatic, obvious, but real revolutions never are. They don't announce their arrival. They start with a subtle change in how the smartest people work. They start with people who learn to ask better questions. The future won't be won by those who have the most data, but by those who know how to ask the right questions to unlock its value. It's a shift from knowing the answers to knowing how to find them. The real advantage doesn't come from chasing the newest shiny tool. It comes from knowing how to think with AI, how to structure problems, how to turn vague ideas into concrete execution plans. It's about learning to use AI as a co-pilot, not a crutch. A true partner in your process that helps you navigate complexity, overcome creative blocks, and build with clarity and purpose. If you want to build that kind of advantage, start here. Inside Wings AI, we don't just share tools. We build systems. Our prompt library is designed to help you think better from strategy and validation to content MVPs and decision-making, and our AI courses are built for founders and professionals who want clarity, not overwhelm. You don't need to master everything, you just need a starting point. You'll find it below.